Hello, all my family members, my relatives, my good friends all over in different countries. Wish you all the best, and I would like to say a few words for the ending of this year and for the new year of 2023. 2022 was very challenging and demanding for all of us. Many of our friends and relatives left us this year. Many challenges we have faced this year. Now I wish all my family members, relatives, and friends who live in different parts of the world a peaceful, successful, joyful life and a safe and sound health in 2023. May Allah maintain our good and harmonious relations in life and be able to choose the right path. Ameen.